Where, like right now, where your company is today, um, how do you see it making an impact to a professional electrical engineer
Yeah.
who's working on something of that complexity?
Yeah, the number one thing we focus on, what this project was meant to demonstrate, and also what we work on with customers, is speed, right? That is the number one outcome that we currently aim for.
Not functionality?
The functionality still has to be there, right? So, for example, like I had a customer tell me about, overwhelming demand for boards, overwhelming demand for designs. They have potentially a 6 month queue for a designer's time, and so if they test parts, they can't get a board for that long just because of a shortage of skilled labor to do these designs. But they're very proud of their success rate, right? That like more than 90% of the boards that work don't need a respin, and that's incredible and amazing. They cannot tolerate a loss in that, very understandably. But 6 months is a long time, right? And we got to bring that down. And so at this point, Quilter is not aiming to help you increase that 90% to 95 or 98. What it's helping you do is compress the time that it takes to make a board, and therefore help you get through your queue of all the different test boards and R&D boards that you've got on your plate.